Hello, my name's Rebecca, and this is Your Bourbon Journey. Welcome to episode 65 of Thirsty Thursday Cocktails. Tonight, we're exploring the Spice Traders Bitter. Last week was a bright desert sun, but tonight, we're retreating to the library. This is a lovely meditation on ancient trade routes. Now, we aren't looking for refreshing tonight. We're looking for complexity. We're going to start with the heart of our cocktail. As you will find, this is a bit of a riff on a black Manhattan. And we're going to start out with the Boîte Amaro by Cardinal Spirits. This isn't your average Amaro. It actually brings savory notes of Szechuan peppercorn and star anise that's going to turn this into a dark and botanical journey. We only need 3/4 of an ounce of the Amaro. This will be a stirred drink tonight, so we will put it right into our mixing glass. Next, to modify this, St. Elizabeth's Allspice Dram. Now for this, a little definitely goes a long way. This is the clove and pimento, yes, you heard that right, clove and pimento backbone that's going to define our trader's identity. It's warm, earthy, and deeply aromatic, and nothing about it is sugary. Only 1/4 of an ounce is needed. For our accent tonight, our bitter is the cardamom bitter. The cardamom provides a floral and citrusy spice that's going to lift the Amaro and the Dram. We're going to use 2 dashes of the cardamom. Our base spirit is the new Riff Bottled in Bond Balboa Rye. This rye is made of heirloom grain and has an interesting pumpernickel and lemon pepper profile. It provides a sturdy, bready foundation that's going to stand up very boldly to all of our modifiers. We will go with 2 full ounces of our Balboa. And those are our main ingredients. We will now add ice and stir for 30 seconds to get it well chilled and slightly diluted, and I will be right back. That is well chilled. We will pour this into our coupe glass, serving it neat tonight. It's very well chilled. The glass was chilled earlier and this was over ice, so it's just perfect. And to add a much needed citrus note, we're going to express an orange peel. So those orange oils go in there, and then we will leave that right in our glass as our garnish. I can already smell the anise and that bright orange note right away. Cheers to exploring the Spice Traders Bitter. This has some familiarity of a Manhattan, specifically a black Manhattan, but it takes us a little bit on a different journey with these additional notes from the Dram. It really starts out dry and a little bit peppery from that Boîte Amaro, but then it moves in the middle with this kind of dark clove feeling, and the finish is long, savory, and leaves a little bit of a tingling sensation behind that's herbal and just begs you to have another sip. I think it's quite interesting. If you're someone that enjoys a Manhattan, and especially a black Manhattan, this will be a really fun cocktail for you to explore. Next week, join us again for episode 66, where we are doing the Kingston Orchard. We're going to explore some tropical funk next week, and it's going to include some peach brandy. So I hope you will join us. But tonight, as always, I ask that you please drink responsibly, that you enjoy this fantastic Thirsty Thursday, and be adventurous and explore the Spice Traders Bitters. Cheers.